everyone. This is Jessie and Jennifer from Smart, and we are doing live streaming for our new products. And let's share it again. If there are new clients, yes, this is our very hot sale. Original wind turbine. How many blades we have?
It has 6 blades.
Yes.
Also supports 8 blades and 3 blades.
Yes, and 5 blades.
Yes.
And also, they show the conjunction to clients. It's very small, not very big, and it's easy to install, right?
Yes.
First, for this wind turbine, okay, 6 blades with 1 MPP controller is around $83. Yes, very cheap price, and also we have lots of warehouse in Holland, Brazil, Russia, and also Middle East. For Middle East areas, if you want to buy, we have 50% off for stock. So if you want to buy, contact our sales, okay?
Yes.